My people, welcome, welcome. Look, today we're going to break down something powerful. How you can use AI to build your brand, your business, everything online. We're turning what you know into actual money. Let's just jump right in, no time to waste.
Yes. Oh, for real. Your online hustle starts right now. All that waiting, all that should I, shouldn't I, forget it. By the time we're done here, you're going to have a solid plan to just launch. So, tell me, you ready?
All right, so here's the game plan for today. Simple. We're going to figure out what this whole niche is about. Then we'll help you find your spot in it. After that, it's all about making content, dodging the common mistakes everyone makes, and getting your mind right for the journey. Let's do this.
Okay, first things first. Section 1. What even is this niche? We got to understand the game before we can play it, right? Let's map out the whole field.
So this big question, what is this niche? CN, it's simple. It's all about helping people level up in their life. You're teaching them a new skill. You're giving them career advice. Maybe you're showing them how to start their own small business. You're basically the guide on their journey to growth.
See ya? Look at this. This shows exactly what I'm talking about. You could be the person teaching crypto. Or maybe you're a career coach helping people nail their interviews. Or you're just giving tips for small business owners. All these different paths, they all belong here. There are so many lanes, and trust me, there's one with your name on it.
So you might be asking, who belongs here? The answer is you. If you're an entrepreneur, a coach, if you teach anything about money, crypto, investing, whatever, if you own a small business or you're a freelancer, as long as you're helping someone else grow their career or their bank account, this is your home, period.
All right, moving on to section 2. It's time to find your focus area. Oh yeah? Choose your lane. Look, you can't be everything to everybody. You'll just get lost. It's time to pick your own special corner of the market.
Okay, look at these 4 boxes. This breaks it all down. Are you all about entrepreneurship, starting something new? Or is it career development, helping with CVs, interview skills? Maybe you're the money person, talking about financial growth, investing, saving. Or hey, maybe you're all about online income and freelancing, showing people how to make money from their skills online. You just got to pick one to start with, just one.
So I'm asking you straight up, which one of these, which sub-niche to call your name? Which one are you passionate about? I want you to really think about it. Then go on, drop it in the comments, let me know where you're starting this journey from.
Okay, section 3. We're going from idea to actual content. So you've picked your lane, fantastic. But now what? How do you turn all that knowledge in your head into something you can post online? Make I show you now. It's a really simple 4-step plan. Seriously, anyone can do this. 1. You've already picked your focus. 2. Break down what you know into small, easy-to-digest lessons. 3. Share it on social media. And 4, and this is key, engage with people consistently. That's the magic formula right there. And look at this, one single idea, one small lesson. It can become a reel, a normal post, you can turn it into slides or a bunch of stories. There is no limit. You create the idea once, and then you share it in all these different ways. Work smart, not just hard. Now, if you're stuck thinking, but what will I even talk about? Listen, ideas are literally everywhere. Just look at these sticky notes. You could talk about crypto basics for total beginners, budgeting tips for the month, how to write a simple 1-page business plan. Just start with the things you already know. And please, remember this. What seems obvious and simple to you is brand new information for somebody else. All right, section 4 is super important. We need to start smart and avoid the big mistakes. No, go make these common errors. Think of this as me giving you some big brother advice so you don't stumble where others have. Just take a look at the 2 sides here. On the left, it's all messy, disorganized, stressful. That's the path to burnout. But on the right, that's planning, structure, having a guide. That's what makes you look and feel like a confident professional. That's the energy we are aiming for, okay? So let's break it down. Mistake number 1, trying to share everything you know in one post. Don't do it. Instead, focus on small daily lessons. Mistake number 2, using big, complex words. Nah, simplify your language so anyone can understand. And the biggest mistake of all, copying other people. Now, use your personal experience. That's what makes you unique. That's your superpower.
Okay, let's get into our final section, and I want you to really listen to this one. It's about patience, trust, and that final push. This is so important because this whole thing, it's a marathon, my friend. It is not a sprint.
I'm going to say this, and I want you to let it really sink in for a moment. Growth takes time. Consistency, that's what builds trust. and giving helpful content, that's what brings your people to you. It's a simple idea, but doing it day in and day out, that's the hard part.
And this image here shows the whole journey perfectly. See, it starts small, just building trust with a few people. Then, because you're consistent, your community starts to grow. And from that community, from that trust, that's where real, lasting success comes from.
And this is the goal. This is what we're working towards. It's not about having 1 million followers. It's about connection. It's you sharing what you know with people who are actually listening and who trust you. That, right there, is the real win.
So, as we wrap up, let's go over the final reminders. 1. Start small. 2. Be consistent, even when you don't feel like it. 3. Always focus on giving value. And 4. Use the tools you have, like AI. But don't just go to ChatGPT and say, write me a post. No, be specific. Tell it, hey, act like a career coach. Give me 5 simple tips for someone starting their first job next week. See the difference? That's how you work smart.
Oh yeah, my people, the lesson part is over. Now it's time to actually do something. So pick your niche, decide on that very first small lesson you're going to share, and start today. I'm not talking about tomorrow or next week, I mean today. So I'm leaving you with one last question. Which journey you start today? Are you going to be the go-to person for crypto? The best career coach out there? The freelancer that everyone wants to learn from? Go to the comments and declare it. Put it out there and let's make it real. I honestly cannot wait to see what you're all going to build. Let's go.